Are you sure that you can difference between virgin hair extensions and REMY hair extensions? Are you sure that you are buying these all virgin hair extensions? Please watch this video and I will give you all information you need to know about REMY hair extensions. Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair. Hair extensions are the accessory that people use to attach to their natural hair for a number of reasons, including adding length, volume, or a range of hairstyles. Natural human hair that has been divided and blended from at least 2 donors is known as REMY hair. The hair is healthy and unprocessed. When enough hair has been gathered, it will be utilized to create hair extensions. The hair often allowed to remain natural as raw buck hair is created into wefts, contours, frontals, wigs by sewing it together or using any other techniques. The following are typical REMY hair extension features. It's important to be knowledgeable about all the qualities of REMY hair extensions in order to evaluate them critically. Firstly, is REMY hair extensions qualities. All of the properties of REMY hair extensions are influenced by qualities. The hair's look, length, and capacity to be styled and again are all determined by the qualities. Usually, REMY hair is of the high grade. It's pure human hair that has been blended with hair from a lot of other individuals. The hair is hence resistant to tangling and shedding. Besides, REMY hair is extremely durable and may last for up to 5 years with proper maintenance. That is the only average number though. The length of the hair might vary depending on the type of hair extensions. For instance, a weft of hair extensions may only last for 1 year. Therefore, if the REMY hair reviews indicate a short lifespan, you should carefully examine your options and move to another REMY hair review that is accessible. Don't forget that the REMY hair extensions restyle abilities. REMY hair extension may be styled in a variety of ways. They may be colored and reach into a variety of basic tones. They are also easily bendable, straightable, and so on. The whitening capacities, however, fall short of virgin hair. Therefore, any REMY hair reviews that claim that their hair are superior to virgin hair in terms of ease to bleach are unreliable. There are all necessary information about REMY hair extension you need to know before buying hair extensions. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.